Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: active Wi-Fi or mobile data and the same Google account used across services. Now open the Google app and update it if prompted. This ensures Assistant features are current. Tap Settings, then Voice to enable OK Google detection, grant microphone permission when asked. Once done, go to App's default apps and set Google as the voice assistant. These steps make sure the phone routes voice queries to Google Assistant rather than Samsung's own assistant. Next, you configure assistant behavior and train your voice. In Google App Settings Assistant Voice Match, enable access and follow prompts to retrain the Hey Google phrase so detection suits your voice. Then choose Language and Assistant Voice under Assistant Settings. This affects responses and pronunciations. Make sure to link services like Spotify, Nest, and your calendar under Services so Assistant controls devices and reads events. Completing these connections allows hands-free control and personalized answers immediately. To finish, practice common commands. Say, "Hey Google," set a timer for 10 minutes or press, and hold the side key to summon Assistant instantly. If detection seems spotty, go back to Voice Match and adjust sensitivity or retrain. Also confirm background activity and battery optimization exclusions so the assistant runs reliably. If problems persist, restart the phone, clear the Google App Cache, and reauthorize your Google account. One key tip: check microphone permission and test recordings. If mic access is blocked, Assistant won't hear you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.